Hello and welcome to your class of economics. Now today we are going to have the revision for second chapter, that is some basic concept of macroeconomics. And the first topic is classifications of good. Okay, classifications of good we can understand by this. See, thousands or you can say countless number of goods are being produced and consumed on a daily basis. And these all goods are different from each other, or they have the different characteristics. Okay, so on the basis of that we can define or we can classify goods on two broad categories. First one is final goods. Okay, final goods and intermediate goods. Then second one is consumption goods, or you can say consumer goods. Goods and capital goods. Okay, so see, these classification categories are final goods and intermediate goods, then consumption goods, or you can also call it consumer goods and capital goods. So these are the two broad categories on which goods are being classified. Okay, so we will move with the first topic, that is your final goods. So final goods, first one. Okay, what is final goods? So first question comes, what is final good? Okay, final goods, these are those goods which have crossed the boundary line of production. Crossed boundary line of production. Okay, and ready for use by final users. Okay, so first point and second point. So whenever we talk about the final goods, means they have crossed the boundary line of production, and second is ready for use by the final user. Final users are we, like consumers and producers. So we can say on behalf of this we can classify final goods into two more categories. That is, first one is final consumer goods. Okay, second, final producer goods. Now these are those goods which satisfy the consumer wants are known as final consumer goods, and these are those goods which satisfy the wants of or the needs of producers. They are known as final producer goods. Now we understand these things more. Okay, so final consumer goods. Now what are final consumer goods? For example, we can say, okay, for example, tea, bread, butter. Okay, these are the goods. We can say that just simply take bread and butter. Okay, bread and butter. Okay, these are the final goods which are consumed by the consumer. So now let's understand one thing more. The expenditure by the household made on the consumer goods, okay, that is known as consumption expenditure. Now consumption expenditure. How? Again, I tell you, this consumption expenditure. What is consumption expenditure? The expenditure made by the household on the consumption of this final goods or final goods consumption by the consumer on final goods by the consumer. Sorry, the consumption expenditure is an expenditure incurred by the household for on the consumption of final consumer goods. Okay, so this is known as consumption expenditure. Okay, now then second part now comes about producer goods. Final producer goods. Now this can be machines and all. Okay, for example, EX machines and all. Machine, tractors, etc. Okay, so producer goods are means they are machines, tractors, or you can say just the fixed assets. Okay, fixed assets. So okay, so expenditure made on final producer goods by the producers is known as investment expenditure. Okay, remember this. It is called as investment. Okay, this is called as investment expenditure. On what? The expenditure made by the producers on a final producer goods is known as investment expenditure. Okay, so now we move on to the next topic. So next topic is final expenditure. Okay, or expenditure on final goods. So this can be said now. If you have to calculate expenditure on final goods, how you are going to calculate? So see, is I told you about the consumption expenditure. Okay, consumption EXP on what? On final goods. Okay, on final consumer goods. Okay, then plus investment expenditure this is known as expenditure on final goods. Again I tell you, explain you how it is. Now if you have to find the final goods expenditure on final goods, it is very simple. Consumption expenditure EXP, okay, plus investment SP. So this is your, when you do this, you will find out your expenditure on final goods. Okay. So the next topic is your intermediate goods, and we will meet up with the next video. Till then, thank you.